So students, before we start the set out of the stringer, I'm going to show you a method to get the equal margins which doesn't involve the calculations that we did earlier. A lot of people find those calculations difficult and obviously difficult to understand if you're at work. This is a graphical method that will give you the equivalent answer. I'll show you how to do it. You need either to turn the stringer material upside down and do this lightly on the other side, or have an offcut of the material or material that's the same width. Here I've got a short piece of the stringer material. I'm using the builder's square. Remember, the builder's square is set out in 2 mm increments, so take care with that part of it. I'm going to set out the position of a tread as if it went right to the edge of the stringer. Now when we do this exercise on the stringer, we're going to set the tread back by the margin. But for this one I'm putting it right on the edge. I'm using a felt tip pen to make it clear in this video, but when you set these out at work, use a sharp pencil. So you're going to put the builder's square on there. I've put the rise of the step 162 on the tongue, and on the blade I've put the going of step 290. They're going to set out exactly in position right to the edge of the stringer. So there's my rise of step. There's my going of step. And I'm going to change over. That looks better. So there's rise and going a step to the edge. Now the treads themselves are 45 mm thick. So I'm going to mark onto there 45 mm, like that, and I'm going to put the bottom edge of the tread onto this diagram. So I'm coming down my 45 mm, across like this, going to extend that line through. I'm going to extend this line through. So there's my tread as if it was tight to the edge with no margin. If I now square a line from the bottom of the stringer to that point and measure that line, that measures 110 mm. 110 mm is 2 times the margin, because I'm going to move this down and put half of that on each side. So my margin needs to be 55 mm.